Hi guys, welcome to another video. I just did the iPhone 13 and 13 Pro, and right now I'm going to be unboxing the brand new iPhone SE, which is Apple's latest budget phone. So the color that I've got is Starlight, you've got product red, and you've also got space gray. So let's see how this looks. If you've got the Starlight Apple Watch, it's pretty much the same color. It's the first time I've seen an iPhone, or used an iPhone SE in a while. Packaging is quite different as well. Overall, it is a nice small phone, I reckon. Perfect for those who are getting into the Apple ecosystem or aren't too fussed about getting the iPhone 13 product line. It is a fingerprint magnet though at the back, so at least with white you won't be able to see it that much. Let's turn it on. So in the box you've got your Apple stickers and information, and you've got is that a USB-C? USB-C to lightning cable, and that's pretty much it in the box. Nice and quick setup. It feels weird seeing a phone without essentially a full screen like the iPhone 13, so having a big black bezels here just makes it look weird in my opinion, but then again I'm used to using the iPhone 13 series. Right, the iPhone SE has been set up. As you can see, pretty box standard. You get quite a few apps with it. Given the size of this product, which is 64 gigabytes, you'd be better off deleting a few of these apps like iMovie and GarageBand, as they do take quite a bit of space. I'll show you a bit more detail of the side and the back now.